Hey friends, this is Wendy with Love and Stampin'. Thanks for being here today. I have a Crafty haul for you from a few different companies and I can't wait to show you the different stuff I've gotten. I do want to show you this really quick. These are my July thank you cards and there is the July charm. It's a little heart. Can you guys see it? I don't know if my camera's focusing. It's so cute. It's a little 4th of July heart. And this is my thank you card. And this is for anybody who places an order with me in the month of July. Doesn't matter the amount of the order, you're gonna get a thank you card with the charm. The link to shop with me is below the video, and that's from Stampin' Up. When you purchase Stampin' Up products from me, you get one of these goodies. Okay, let's talk about what I got randomly here and there. So first of all, during the Prime Day, I saw these and I thought I just had to have them. I don't even know why. I don't even know why. But they are big, clear envelopes with a little button. And I thought they would just be super handy for crafting projects, business documents, anything that I needed to like have in a nice package. And then the other thing I thought was this might be really cute for a future retreat or class or something like that, to put all the pieces and parts in one of these and like do something cute on here. I've been wanting to get into using my silhouette more often, and so I thought these would be cute. So I grabbed them. They were super inexpensive on Prime Day. This is the brand. I'll link to it below on Amazon. And how many came in one pack? Does it say? I don't see anywhere that it says. 30 pieces. So you get 30 of these in a pack, and I just thought that they would be super handy. So they were really inexpensive. I'm not sure what they are now, but thought they were inexpensive then. Okay, I also decided that I needed a crystal katana. So I'll show you what this thing is. So it's actually for jewels, I think is what it's original. Yeah, crystals, craft items. But I have the take your pick tool. You guys know that, this thing. But I've seen this used on videos, particularly by my friend Kelly. And she just swears by this, that when you pick stuff up with it and you put it back on the glue, it comes right off and it doesn't stay stuck. Sometimes that's a struggle I do have with this tool, is it stays stuck to this part and I have to like push it off with my pointy, like I have to take this off and push it down. So it wasn't terribly expensive. I thought it was pretty and I want to try it. So I got one of those and I'm going to keep it in this case because my guess is you probably want to keep this tip nice and clean so that it remains sticky. This is another item. I didn't just purchase this. I've had it a while. This is called a jewel picker. And I got this sometime back and it's okay, but it doesn't like, it's not fantastic. So anyway, I got one of these to try out. We'll see how it works. I'll let you know. I'll link to it if you want one, want to purchase one. Okay, I grabbed some goodies from the Rabbit Hole Designs. I'm trying to build up my stencil collection. So I got 3 stencils. I'll show them to you here. So this one is like a beautiful leaf stencil. Then this one, I think you can see this one, it's clouds, really pretty like swoopy clouds. And then there's these cloud edges. And then I really love this one too. I think this one will be cool for Halloween stuff. Let me show it to you. Okay, so there's that one. Isn't that pretty? It reminds me kind of like I Dream of Jeannie. That's what it reminded me of. So I got those, and then I got this hot foil. I'm still learning how to use the hot foil machine really well, and I plan to eventually do a tutorial on it. But I thought this was a really beautiful design and like kind of just classic that I could use. It's an Argyle design. So I'll link to all of this stuff over on my blog because I'm just going to do a quick blog post with a video, this video, and links to all this stuff so you guys can grab anything you see that you want. Then from Stampin' Up, I got the Trucking Along bundle, which has been in stock, out of stock, in stock, out of stock. So it was supposed to come back in stock today, July 17th, 2023. Have not looked at the report to see if that's the case. But I am going to be doing a Christmas card class with this at the end of July, which is coming up really soon. So anyway, stay tuned for the information on that. And then I also got this pack of Designer Series paper. This is the One Horse Open Sleigh paper. It's been available for a little while now. I'm a little late to the party because I've been crazy busy with kid and farm life and all that. It's gorgeous though. This paper is really beautiful and great for making scene cards. Look at that. Like you could truly just put that on a card. Oh, here we go with the barking. Stop. You could just put this on a card and add a sentiment and you would be good to go. So pretty. So there's lots of really beautiful designs. I love these trees. Gorgeous. So that paper I will also be using for the card class. That one's great. And then, oh, here's the other thing I got from the rabbit hole. I thought this was so cute. It's got the little rabbit hole emblem on the inside. It's just a little cup and it has a little spout. So you could use this for sequins, you could use it for rinds, you can use it for anything loose and pour it. You could also just use it to hold little dies, bits and pieces, but I just got one to see if I would like it. I do. I'll probably get more because I think they'll stack up nicely. And then I'll just have a bunch of little containers I can grab at. Okay, then I also got some stuff from Misty, or My Sweet Petunia. So how do I open this? Is there no nice way to open it? Oh, up here at the top. Okay, we're gonna use scissors. So I was curious about the Misty T-square ruler. And I really like it. I think it's really pretty. And I think, am I right? No, it's 12 inches. So here is the T-square ruler from Amazon. So it is a little bit shorter than this one. And I know that there is a purpose for all these little black dash marks. I think that it's, I'm not 100% sure. But it says includes 5-in-1 craft ruler. So let's look on here. Perfectly sized for paper crafts and scrapbookers, this Misty ruler extra large ensures perfectly straight lines for measuring or drawing. An insert steel rule lets you cut. Oh, okay. Stop it, Susan. Look, so there is a little strip of steel right. I didn't even know this. Little strip of steel right here. So, and I've had this happen to me. So this is freaking brilliant. Way to go, my sweet Petunia, fixing all the problems in the crafty world. Okay. I have had where I need to use my X-Acto knife up against this ruler and I've cut into it. This one from Amazon. This one has a piece of steel right there. So when you're doing this, it's not gonna cut into your plastic. Smart. Oh, it's got metric and imperial measurements, yes. Converts tutorials in either style with ease. So very cool. Oh, I see now what the little black dashes are for. That's to help with like your 4 1/4 is 10.2. Very smart. Very smart. Okay, so that's that one. Then I got these are called, ooh, get out of there. These are called Creative Corners. How do these pop out? What am I doing wrong? Gotta take the plastic apart. Okay, so these have magnets. And let me grab one of my Misties. Yes, I said one of. I am more than one. I mean, I'm on the design team, friends. Like, you gotta have more than one, right? So I'm just gonna pick up my sticky mat. So these are super cool. So you can butt stuff up like away from the edge some. Trap things. I think this is brilliant. I love these. So there's those, but then there's also these guys for going in a corner of something, underneath, creating another edge. So is there 2 of these? I thought there were 2 of these. What am I missing? Oh, there are. It's stuck in here still. So then this is another one. And they have like a plastic coating over them you can peel off. It looks like. Yeah. I just got to grab a hold to it. Anyway, so like this one could go here. So I'll do a little more research on exactly how to use all of these and show them to you guys. Oh, freaking brilliant. Okay, look. See, I'm already learning. So if I were to flip my Misty around this way, put this guy in the corner, then I could do this over the top of a piece of cardstock. And then I'm going to be able to stamp. Create angled designs and diagonal positioners for perfectly aligned stamping. Yeah, so then you could take a stamp and align it this way or whichever way so that you're getting like a perfect diagonal stamp. Super smart. So that's those. And then I also got these guys because I wanted to see how cute they were going to be. I bet they're adorable. Oh my Lord, look how cute. And there's 2. If I can get the other one out of here. Okay, so let's see. What is the difference? Let's read the back. First of all, they both have that steel piece on the side. I mean, it helps if I get it in the window. Oh, I see. So this one is metric and this one's imperial, I think. Yeah. Both with multiple increments allowing you to use measurements you like the best, as well as convert tutorials in either style. Very cool. So I'm going to set these pieces aside because I bet there's way more to using these than meets the eye. And I know you're going to want to hear about it, but I thought these were just super handy because they're little and they would be handier than the big one in some cases. And you could take it for traveling too. Super easy. Yeah, so I'll keep you guys posted on all of those goodies. And I think that's everything. I think that's everything that I got. I got these, the crystal katana, the cute little stuff from Rabbit Hole, my Stampin' Up stuff. Yeah, I just wanted to do a super quick video, say hello, show you the stuff I got. And oh, I have to show you one more thing. Look what else I got. This is not one that I went to the store and purchased. My friend's daughter got an extra one in the mail when she ordered, and so I was the beneficiary of getting it. I did pay her for it, but it was a little less than I would pay in the store. So I'm kind of converted. I'm officially a Stanley drink cup user. Trendy girl over here. No, ask my daughter, that's not true. All right, I'll link to everything I got below in case you want anything. Actually, it'll be one link. It'll say measurements and supplies. You link on that, click on that, it'll go to my blog, and then I'll link to everything there. Have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.